It's the Second Amendment sales tax holiday this weekend, August 26th and 27th at Heritage Firearms. Come get all the firearms and firearms accessories tax-free. Our fall inventory is here, so get hunting rifles, shotguns, handguns, and more tax-free. We have all the best name brands, including Glock, Blue Label, Colt, Benelli, and more tax-free. We have a gunsmith in-house full-time for all your minor repair or servicing needs, too. Celebrate your Second Amendment rights tax-free on Highway 11 at Heritage Firearms.